The Applied Polymer Technologies Gateway, or APT Centre, represents a centre of excellence for polymer characterisation and polymer processing within Ireland and Europe. APT plays an important role in supporting Irish plastics industry and is an invaluable research and development resource for our industrial partners. APT's mission is to provide research facilities and expertise for the plastics industry using the technology supplied to the centre, while promoting the scientific and engineering knowledge relating to the state-of-the-art technology. This collaboration between APT, Sumitomo Demag and TSM further strengthens APT's position as a world-class facility for polymer materials innovation, polymer processing research and development. Both Sumitomo Demag and TSM have become strategic partners for the centre and have worked closely with APT in establishing a best-in-class manufacturing cell available for the benefit of industry. This collaboration affords both Sumitomo Demag and TSM as equipment suppliers to showcase their world-leading technology to the plastics industry.
As a turnkey supplier of material management solutions, headquartered in Ireland with systems running in over 74 countries worldwide, TSM Polytech understands there are many challenges facing Irish plastics producers, like high energy and material cost, waste and scrap reduction, higher productivity, consistent quality and traceability. To overcome these issues, we have partnered with Sumitomo Demag for injection moulding machines, ICS Cool Energy for temperature regulation, New OMAP for material drying, and along with a suite of material handling solutions provide a full turnkey solution from pellet to part. Our position as a machinery manufacturer allows us to design, supply with local service across the island of Ireland. The collaboration between APT and TSM Polytech allows us to demonstrate our expertise in a clean room environment firsthand with clients to help understand and address their needs.
In supporting the APT Centre, we have supplied an all-electric machine showcasing our latest technology, which is suitable for all types of precision and medical injection moulding. Furthermore, Sumitomo Demag are able to support any project in the centre by utilising 2 service engineers we have based in Ireland and remotely by using our industry award-winning technology, Active Connect.